What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I will be going to update my new workout routine. In the 6 days of burning fat at home, just doing jumping jack, squat and plank, from this body to this body as of now. As you can see, may marks na siya ng abdominal muscle, so kailangan na lang natin palakihin. So to make it visible guys, I added this workout. This is the leg raise swing workout. I do it 20 seconds per set, pero if kaya nyo mag-resist ng more than 20 seconds guys, mas better. I do it 6 set every time I do my workout. And if you want more update to my fitness goal at home, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.